same time,
Thank
it
you.
will be helpful.
The search for Dr. Willy Mutunga's successor resumed on Tuesday, with Lucy Wanja Julius facing the JSC panel. A legal advisor to the Cabinet Secretary in charge of lands, Wanja maintained that if she is picked, the press will be barred from court proceedings. The lawyer says the media is a threat to the independence of judges, as stories published and aired by media houses create the perception of bias when the sentence is issued.
What it has already put in the hearts of the people is that this person is guilty and shouldn't be punished. That interferes with the independence of a judge or a magistrate.
Wanja's suitability for the top judicial job was tested on the fact that she once served as the director of the Kibaki Tena campaign team in the run-up to the 2007 polls, as well as an executive official of the NAK Kenya party.
The Commission would just like to have assurance that if you became Chief Justice, you will not be partisan.
No. My experience at the Kibaki Tena campaign team and NAK Kenya was purely employment. I was employed, just like I want to be employed here and anywhere else.
The second woman seeking the Chief Justice position after Judge Rosalie Nambuye is of the view that her experience in political parties management will be in fact valuable to the execution of her mandate if she is picked.
That is something that many judges would not have, because the only thing they have is the papers that are presented. But when you know the way an organization works, it gives you an advantage.
To deal with corruption at the judiciary, Wanja Julia says she will call for the vetting of junior judicial staff.
One of the things that I would want to do when I become the Chief Justice is to work to bring back that respect, that integrity of the judiciary that is now in the
meantime, a petition has been filed before JSC seeking the removal of Judiciary Chief Registrar Anne Amadi over alleged gross misconduct. Joseph Njuguna accuses the Chief Registrar of swearing a false affidavit against then Supreme Court Judge Philip Tunoi and issuing a directive to the government printer to publish in the Kenya Gazette notice announcing positions for the Deputy Chief Justice and a judge of the top court. He claims the affidavit had false allegations against the Supreme Court judge and can therefore be called dishonest. Enock, Sikolia, NTV.